Latin America holds only 8% of the world's population, yet accounts for roughly 30% of global COVID-19 deaths. It's arguably the hardest hit region by the global coronavirus pandemic. Yet as news that a vaccine could soon be on the way, concerns abound over low-income countries having equal access. On Wednesday, the Pan American Health Organization said the number of doses of the vaccine will not be enough for everyone at first. Some of the region's poorest nations will be almost entirely dependent on donated supplies of the vaccine. The organization says that solidarity and the sharing of resources between the nations of the Americas will be essential to successful international vaccination efforts.
It's going to take some time. It's going to take beyond 2021 to arrive at the goals that we set ourselves that will control transmission. But really, we are eager to see COVID-19 vaccines broadly available. But it is important to understand that it will take time and that coordination across countries will be essential.
Other concerns include the storage and distribution of the vaccine. In countries like Guatemala and Honduras, recent hurricanes have severely damaged infrastructure, complicating the COVID-19 health emergency.
We may wish that inequalities did not exist. Unfortunately, these populations will face greater complications. If we consider the Pfizer vaccine, for example, which must be stored at a very low temperature, minus 70 degrees, maintaining that temperature becomes complicated when trying to reach many countries, and for that vaccine to arrive in good condition.
Some countries, like Mexico, Chile, Argentina, and Brazil, have secured bilateral agreements with vaccine manufacturers. These agreements guarantee that a minimum number of doses will be made available for the first phase of national inoculation programs. But for Latin America's poorest nations, health policy experts warn that social inequalities and limited supplies could mean that many may not receive vaccines well into 2023. Manuel Rapalo, Al Jazeera.